Hi everyone and welcome back to today's video. This will be a long drugstore haul. I do a deep clean of my bathroom about twice a year. I did one in January. If you haven't seen it, I will link it down below. But basically I just get rid of all my expired products, things that I don't use anymore, and then I go out and buy some more. I went to a few places: Walmart, Target, Bath and Body Works, and one thing from Sephora. So if you're interested in watching, it's gonna be a long one, so I apologize in advance. I'm gonna try to go through each item quickly, but if you're interested, just keep on watching. I am going to start with Walmart because it is the place I got the most of the things from. I just got a lot of body care, bath items, and a few makeup things. So I'm gonna pull things out randomly. I also have some things from Amazon if I haven't mentioned, so I'm gonna keep the Amazon stuff till the end. But the first thing I got from Walmart was this Dove Purely Pampering Shea Butter. This just smells amazing. It smells like shea butter, very warm, very sensual. I have one in my shower and one in my guest bathroom, and every time I walk by both bathrooms I get a whiff of this. This is the best smelling Dove I've ever smelled. I have the winter care that I purchased last year. I love that one as well, but this has to be my absolute favorite one. I got a pack of 12, and I also got the deodorant to go with it. And this is the Dove deodorant in the shea butter scent. It's the same scent as the bar soap. This just smells absolutely amazing and also lasts very long. I have switched recently to like paraben free, chemical free deodorants. Dove has the 0% aluminum, and that's the one I've been using. But honestly, when I smelled this, I went back to, I guess, non-healthy deodorants because this just smells amazing. I put this on before I go on my walks in the morning, and I kid you not, I get home, I go in the shower, and the only thing I smell before I get in the shower is this thing right here. And I do smell it all day after I apply it after the shower. So yeah, this has to be my new favorite scent from Dove, and it's the Shea Butter. The next thing I got from Walmart were these shampoo and conditioner pack from the L'Oreal Elvive line. As you can see, my hair got pretty long and pretty fried. I really want to take care of my hair a little bit better. I've bleached it a couple of times last year, and you know, with the pool water and whatnot, it's just got in bad shape. I've been wanting to cut it desperately, but I'm honestly nervous about going to any salon at this point. I might just cut it myself and just maybe dye it dark brown and just start fresh. But to do that, I picked up L'Oreal because I remember back in the day when I used L'Oreal products, my hair wasn't in the best condition. So I've never seen this extraordinary oil line, but it smells amazing. I smelled the small version of this, and then I saw the 2-pack, and then I thought I should pick it up. Well, I'm sure it'll be good. All the L'Oreal hair products I've tried so far have been great for my hair, so I'm excited to try this. And to go with that, I picked up the extraordinary oil in the same line. I think that's the name of the line, or is it the Flower Oil Camellia, and this smells amazing. This is the same scent as the shampoo and conditioner, and it just looks thick and concentrated, so I'm sure it will work out just fine. And then along the lines of hair care, I also picked up this Ultimate Root Booster round brush from, I don't know what the brand is, Infinity Pro Con Air. My round brush has seen better days. It lost the handle, and I've just been it's just been hanging on to dear life, so I thought it was time to replace it. I got this for about $10 from Walmart, and we'll see how it works. And then I also picked up this Biore Rose Quartz Charcoal cleanser. This says that it's great for oily skin. I just smelled it. Again, I'm a sucker for scents, So I got this, I used it a couple times, I loved it so much. I love the smell and how it makes your face just feel fresh and awake. So I went back and got the Gentle Pore Refining Scrub. This just smells the same way. This is more for an everyday waking up in the morning, and this is when after I cleanse my face at night and I want to get that deep cleanse. I just use the exfoliating. I don't have those types of skin that can't handle exfoliation. I can exfoliate every day and be just fine, and I actually prefer to do so. So I just picked up this to try. I've never tried exfoliators from them, but I have to say Beauty is one of the oldest brands I have used. I think they were the first ones to come out with the warming masks. I tried them back in 2003, I think, is when I bought the masks from them, and then everybody else jumped on the bandwagon. But I've always picked up, I always say that Beauty is just an okay brand, but I always see myself going back to them. So I just picked up these 2 masks from them. And then I also got this pack of 5 pair of lashes. This was the last one on the shelf. I prefer the Kiss lashes. I honestly went to 2 different Walmarts. The first one didn't have any Kiss lashes, and the second one, this was the last pack, and that's why I have no lashes on, as you can see. After I deep cleaned my bathroom last week, I just threw away all of my lashes because they look disgusting. I didn't know how long I've had them, but I picked this 5 pair of lashes, and they don't have a name on these, but they just come with the applicator over here, and there's 5 of them there. I'm sure they'll be fine. Every Kiss lash I've tried so far hasn't disappointed, so I'm excited to try these. Then for the bath, I just picked up this Dr. Teal Pink Himalayan Mineral Soak in the Bergamot and Sweet Orange scent. I've been running recently, or at least I've been trying to run recently, and I honestly, my calves, my joints have been hurting so much. So these salts are supposed to relax your muscles. So I just fill up my tub with this and a little bit of the Dr. Teal soap, and this makes an excellent relaxing bath. I've had the lavender before, but I can't wait to try this scent. Orange blossom and any orange essentials are my absolute favorite, so I can't wait to try these for relaxation. And then also for bath, for my daughter, I just picked up this Suave 3-in-1 shampoo, conditioner, and body wash in the coconut oil scent. I've never tried Suave on my daughter, but this is supposed to be more of the sulfate-free, paraben-free, like the more natural products that they make for kids. And this also said that it's tear-free, so I can't wait to try this. This certainly smells amazing, and I just like to give her baths and have her hair smell super good. It just gives me peace of mind, so I picked this up for her. And I also picked up this Act Anti-Cavity Fluoride Wash. I recently went for a cleaning, and my dentist recommended this mouthwash for me, so I picked up one for myself, and then I also picked up one for my daughter. Since she said this is the most gentle on me, I figured it will be the most gentle on my daughter as well. She's never used my mouthwash, but she'll see me using it at night, and she always asks for some, so I picked her one up for kids in the bubblegum flavor. And it's good to teach your kids to floss and use mouthwash at an early age, so that when they need it, they already have a habit of doing so. With that, I also picked up just a pack of tooth brushes for my husband and myself, and then I picked her up another pack of toothbrushes and a Moana Crest toothpaste. Now on to Target purchases. I thought I had a lot more from Target, but I guess I started using them because this has accumulated in the last month and a half or so, but I'm pretty sure I started using most of the things I got from Target. But the one thing I see here is this pack of cotton pads. I always buy these from Target. For some reason, the ones at Target are the softest and the smoothest, and they don't hurt my eyes when I take off my makeup, so I just picked up another pack. I also picked up another one of the Dove Shea Butter. I had picked up the 12-pack from Walmart, but I loved it so much I picked up another 6-pack. I already opened it because I stacked them back in my bathroom. And then if you've been with me for a while, you know that this is my absolute favorite mascara from the drugstore. It's the L'Oreal Carbon Black, L'Oreal Voluminous in Carbon Black. So I just picked up another backup, or actually I just ran out, I just threw away mine, so this is what I'm going to be using actually. And from Amazon, I got a pack of these Berkeley brushes. I haven't had the best luck with brushes lately. They either break or the bristles get hard. So I just picked up another pack, and this comes with a makeup sponge. I just picked up a pack recently in my December, what I got for myself for Christmas, I believe. I hold those in that haul. But those are great actually, but they had more face brushes than anything else. So I decided to pick up this pack since it had different brushes. You have face over here, and then eyes, and you know, under the eye and whatnot. And what drew me to this is that it came with a sponge brush, but I was also looking to buy this silicone cleaner, if you will. Since my brushes has been in such bad condition, I thought maybe it was the way I was washing them. So I decided to, I was gonna buy this separately, but I saw this pack that came with the brushes, the sponge, and this thing over here. You just pretty much put your brushes in soap and you swirl them around for more of a gentler cleanse. So that's what pushed me to buy this pack, so I'm excited to start using it. And then also from Amazon, I decided to pick up this Beetles gel nail polish. Back in November, I purchased a set of gel nail polishes with the lamp, with everything that comes with the set. I believe I did a video on that. Again, watch my gel nail video. It was such a great deal, and I'm using it to this day. It saved me a ton of money. This is one of the gel nail polishes. I bought 3 different packs. So after I bought the first pack, I bought another pack of 6 nail gel polishes, and this is one of them. And then the third one is this one, because this one had more summery colors. This had more of light blues, light oranges. I haven't opened it honestly, but this had like 4.5 stars. And honestly, all the gel nail polishes I've tried from Amazon in the past have worked wonderfully for me. So I decided to pick up this Beetles brand. It just comes with more summery colors. I have a I don't want to open all of them right here, and they don't show the colors in the bottles anyway. So this had a light salmon, light blue, light lavender, a white, and maybe like a light pink and something else. The colors looked very beautiful. If you want, I can link it down below. I'm sure they still have it. I just ordered this maybe like 3 weeks ago, but I've been enjoying doing my nails at home, and everything I've ordered for the gel manicures at Amazon have worked wonderfully for me. It lasts me around 2 weeks if I don't do too much housework, but a week and a half. And I do a lot of house, like I wash my dishes by hands, I clean every week. So if you are more careful and use gloves, this will definitely last you 2 weeks. And then from Bath and Body Works, I picked these up honestly back in June, and I haven't even touched this bag when they had the sale. So I got some things from the sale, although the sale this year wasn't like the best, but I found a few things that I have been using in the past and I just replenished. So the first thing I've owned in the past and I saw during the semi-annual sale is this Sleep or Aromatherapy Nighttime Tea Body Lotion, and I also picked up the gel, the shower gel. I've owned these in the past. These are just beautiful, like on a summer night. They smell like jasmine. It says here like cedarwood, orange essentials, and it doesn't say jasmine, but I thought it smelled like jasmine. But this just smells amazing, very relaxing, very nice to use at night just before bed. And then I picked up this duo, the Sea Island Cotton. This, I kid you not, just reminds me of the gym. Back in way back in 2003. Well, I was in a health kick, like I was going to the gym literally 5 days a week, and this was my shower gel and body lotion that I was using every single day. So whenever I smell this, I haven't used it since maybe like the 2000s, so whenever I smell this, I remember that phase of my life when I was just working out and being healthy. So I bought this back in June in hopes that it'll motivate me to start working out and whatnot, but I haven't used it. I've been working out, I've been taking walks, taking runs sometimes, but I haven't been using this. This just smells very fresh, extremely clean, perfect for the gym, and I just missed it and I picked up this. And then I picked up this rose and vanilla aromatherapy lotion. As soon as I smelled this in store, it reminded me of one of my perfumes, the Elizabeth and Arden. I just talked about it in a perfume video recently, but this smells exactly the same, and I'm sure when I pair the two, they'll smell a bomb, I'm sure. This just smells like rose oils and vanilla absolute. It definitely smells like rose, and it smells beautifully. And then of course, with the era that we've been living in, I'm sure all of you have the same issue, is the hand sanitizer every 5 or 10 minutes when you're out and about. So I have a few hand creams, but I did pick up this strawberry pound cake from Bath & Body Lotion. I honestly think the Bath & Body Lotion hand lotions are the thickest and the best. I've owned a few in the past, so I just picked up this for my purse and whatnot, for like my smaller purses. And then last but not least is this one thing that I got from Sephora. If you've been watching my perfumes videos, you know that I am a huge Chanel fanatic. I've probably tried every perfume they came out with, except those like the new fancy ones. I've smelled them in stores and I didn't think that they smelled any different than the original ones, to be honest. So I picked up my Coco Chanel Mademoiselle. This I've owned since 2001, the year that it actually came out, and I've been buying a bottle since. So this is what I picked up from Sephora recently, and this is just smells amazing. If you've smelled it, you know what's up. So this is what the bottle looks like. I picked up the very smaller bottle this time because I don't want to keep accumulating perfumes, honestly. The other day I cleaned out my cupboard and some of them changed colors, so I had to get rid of them, which was very sad because perfume, as we all know, is not cheap. So I'm trying to buy like less perfume and in a smaller bottle so that I can get a use out of it before it goes bad. But this one is the, I've never bought such a smaller bottle, but this is the 1.2 fluid ounces, and let's see what it looks like. It's okay. I mean, it's a good size. So this was what the bottle looks like. The last one I owned, I think, was the 1.7, and this is not much smaller at all. And let's smell this. Oh, how I miss this. I ran out of my Coco Mademoiselle a couple of months ago, maybe 3 months ago, and I haven't smelled it since. So oh, it smells absolutely divine. Coco Chanel Mademoiselle is what it's at. This is also like a all year round scent. You can wear it in the summer and the winter. It's just my absolute favorite scent of all times. So this was it from my drugstore haul. We didn't do too bad in time. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a like, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you on my next one.